Hello, welcome back guys to Spotlight Channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to 3-finger screenshot on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and bells button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here to screenshot a screen, we usually press the power button and the volume down here to screenshot like this. I'm gonna give you an example. And it will be a screenshot, guys. But here we have another ways to screenshot without press the button. The first one, you just have to open the settings, and after in this settings page, you just have to scroll it down and found the gesture options. Click here at the 3-finger screenshot. You just have to tap it and click. Now tap the button here, and if the button is already on, we can use 3-finger to tag a screenshot on the screen like this. Here I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna hold like this, and it will be a screenshot. To see the result, you just have to open the photos or the album application like this. Here I'm gonna screenshot it again. I'm gonna hold at anywhere on the screen like this, and it will be a screenshot, guys. And yeah, I think enough from me. Here's the result. A tutorial how to use 3-finger screenshot on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comments below. I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.